Scott's manual mower has a 18-inch cutting width, 7-blade ball-bearing reel, and 10-inch dual tracking wheels. Rotary lawn mower has an adjustable cutting height of 1 to 3 for a clean and even cut. Scott's lawn mower blades are made of quality, heat-treated alloy steel that stays sharp longer. Blade reel mower features a comfortable handle with cushioned grip. Mechanical push mower that is easy to assemble, is maneuverable, and easy to operate. A mechanical push mower is a planet-conscious way to maintain your lawn. It is also cost-effective because it does not require oil or gas to function, and it does not emit harmful fumes to the environment. This manual push mower can effectively cut grass without damaging the leaf blades, so our lawn can stay beautiful and healthy at the same time. You can also stay healthy since this motorless lawnmower helps you flex your muscles for the chores in your yard.